guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to tag screenshot without power buttons in Infinix Hot 12 Play. But before you continue this video, as always, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well guys, actually, as you know, to tag a screenshot, mostly you have to tap on this volume down and the power button at the same time. But here you can also tag a screenshot without the buttons. Just go to the settings like that. After that, in the settings page, you just have to scroll it down a bit more until you find here the special function. Just tap on it right now. And now go ahead to this action and gesture option. After that, here you will see the tag screenshot with 3 fingers. Just tap on it. And now you just have to tap on the buttons next to tag screenshot with 3 fingers like that until the toggle switch to the right and until the toggle turns green like that. So here I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna do with my 3 fingers and I'm gonna swipe it down like this in the screen. And as you can see, it's take a screenshot. Here's the result. So yeah, just it. I think it's enough guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.